We're back with a developing story, and more than 50 South Carolina lawmakers are backing a controversial bill. Calls for a ban on abortions when a fetal heartbeat is detectable. Today, a House subcommittee heard testimony from both sides of this debate, and tonight they're weighing in. Only on Fox, our own Brookley Cromer talked to the Greenwood lawmaker who wrote the bill. So, Brookley, what happens if the bill becomes law?
Well, doctors would be required to test for a heartbeat before performing an abortion. Now, if a heartbeat was detected, it would make it illegal for them to perform the procedure. And the heartbeat is usually detected about 6 weeks into pregnancy.
You know, I believe that life begins at conception, and I think most South Carolinians believe that.
But not everyone agrees, and it's sparking a huge debate across the state.
Right now in South Carolina, it is already very hard to receive an abortion, so this 6-week abortion ban would only make it that much harder.
Some South Carolina lawmakers are hoping to end abortions after 6 weeks.
If that heartbeat is found, then there would be no abortion.
Representative John McCravey wrote the bill with one thing in mind.
It's really a very simple bill. If a heartbeat is detected, the baby is protected.
Supporters of the heartbeat protection bill believe life has begun at the point a fetal heartbeat is detected.
We've got a constitutional attorney who helped us write this bill, and he talked about how the heartbeat could be used as a marker instead of possibly viability. So it may be that without overruling Roe versus Wade, this bill could still be constitutional.
But those that oppose the bill say the government is overstepping its boundaries.
It is a constitutional right that women now have, and it's important to maintain that right because it allows women to be able to choose how to have the family if they so choose.
This bill would look out for women, and it's not, as some people would say, you know, restricting women's rights, you know. Women will not be prosecuted under this bill.
McCravey says doctors could be criminally prosecuted if they violated the abortion law, but women would be protected. And Representative McCravey believes that there is enough votes to pass the bill, and which the bill does have dozens of co-sponsors. And he says they'll hear more testimonies in the coming weeks before the subcommittee votes to move this bill forward. Live in Greenwood, Brookley Cromer, Fox Carolina, the 10 o'clock news.